Hello, boys and girls. It's Miss Emma. Good morning! Speech Sound Harry is always listening for speech sounds in words. He wants us to listen for them, use our duck hands and draw a line for all the speech sounds to sit on. We're going to build words and read words. Oh, there's the duck, ready for duck hands. Get your duck hands ready. Or you could use a puppet. Make sure the mouth can move. So when I say a word, you're going to use your duck hands or your puppet to show me the speech sounds. We need to be able to do this so we can speak to the speech sound family. You might have somebody from the speech sound family in your classroom. When we say a word like sit, the speech sound family don't understand what we're saying. We have to speak in speech sounds. So instead of sit, we have to say it. Then they understand us. OK, Mr. Duck, we know you're ready. Duck hands. Ant, ant. Sip, sip. Tap, tap. Snap, snap. Tap, tap. Pant, pant. Pin, pin. Sit, sit. Spin, spin. Pants, pants. Pan, pan. Snap, snap. Snip, snip. Tin, tin. Knit, knits. If I give you the word, I want you to give me the speech sounds. What can you hear? Sip. Did you hear sip? What about this one? Pan. What did you hear? Pan. Did you hear pan? So I'm going to show you those visual prompts again, all those pictures. And I want you to give me the word. I'll give the sounds. You give me the word. Are you ready? Ant. Sip. Tap. Snap. Tap. Pant. Pin. n. S, n, app. S, n, ip. T, it, n. N, it, s. Speech Sound Harry says, well done. Well done. Now let's play the speech sound piano. I'm going to say a word, and with your wiggly fingers, wiggle from the left to the right, and your teacher will tell you which is the left and which is the right. You're going to wiggle your fingers to play the word on the speech sound piano. So if I gave you the word sit, you're going to play s, I, t. You're going to play s on number 1, I on number 2, t on number 3. And if you look at the screen and wiggle your fingers, you can look at the piano at the same time as you're wiggling your fingers. S, I, t. And then play the whole thing. Sit. Shall we do it again? S, I, t. Sit. We played the word sit, and we only needed 3 notes on the speech sound piano. I'm going to play a word for you, and your teacher might play some later on. I'm going to play the word ant. Did you see the ant earlier on doing push-ups? So I'm going to play ant, and I'm going to start on the left. A, n, t. Ant. How many notes did I need? Can you play it? How many notes? Ant. Ant. There were 3. 1, 2, 3. Ant. For the word ant. Let's play sit again. S, it, sit. Which was the last sound that you played when you played sit? Did you hear it? The last sound was t. Let's do wiggly fingers for playing pin. Did you play it? P, I, n. Pin. Are you ready to wiggle on P? Wiggle for P, wiggle for I, wiggle for n. P, I, n, pin. I wonder how many wiggles we're going to need, how many notes on the piano, for the word snip. We're going to snip, snip with the scissors. Can you hear? Snip. Oh, I can hear 4. Let's play it. Play s, n, I, p. Snip. It's difficult to say that last sound. S, n, I, p. Snip. What was the first sound you heard? Which was the first sound we played? S. Did you say that? Well done. Now, if I say some sounds, I want you to use your magic speech sound camera. So I'm going to say a sound, and I want you to take a picture of it. Don't forget to say that. So I'm going to say the sound P. Take a picture. I wonder what it would look like. Does anybody know? What about if I took a picture of A? Got your speech sound camera? Take a picture of A. What would it look like? Why don't you take a picture of S? Can you say it? Say it and take a picture with your speech sound camera. S. Now look what I've got here. Our green level sound pics. S, A, T, P, I, n. And here are the sound pics with your visual prompts to give you a little hint. S, A, T, P, I, M. Oh look, Peggy Pencil is showing you where to start when you're drawing the letter, when you're drawing the sound pic. These are phrases from RWI. Let's use them to remember which way round we go when we're drawing the sound pic, when we're writing the letters. You can do this in the air, or you could practice later in some wet sand using your finger, or you could get a pencil, but this is what we're going to say. Round the apple, up, down the leaf. Round the apple, up, down the leaf. I. Down his body and dot for his head. Down Nobby, up over his net. P. Down his plait, up round his head. S. Slither down the snake. T. Down the tower, across the tower. We're out of time. Tick-tock, tick-tock. Hope to see you soon. See you later, alligator. In a while, crocodile.